So our next topic is principle of operation of synchronous motor. Now this is the basic construction of a synchronous motor. Three-phase supply is given to the stator and rotor is excited by a DC supply. So this machine is known as doubly excited machine, as two sources are used, three-phase supply at the stator and DC supply at the rotor. Now this is basically the salient pole construction. This type of construction is known as salient pole construction. The rotor is also salient and the stator is also salient pole type. So the rotor in this structure, the rotor has two poles and the stator has two poles per phase. Total there are three phases, so total 6 poles at the stator and 2 poles at the rotors. Now as the rotor is excited from DC supply, so the poles of the rotor retains the same polarity throughout. But the polarity of the stator poles changes as it is connected to an AC supply. Now we will examine that whether this machine is a self-starting machine or not. So we have drawn these two diagrams of synchronous machine, neglecting the only considering two poles of the stator and two poles of the rotor and neglecting the other poles of the stator. Now as we apply three-phase supply to the stator, then what happens? The stator poles are north pole and south pole, and rotor poles, when we give DC supply to the rotor, are south pole and north pole. These are the polarities retained by the stator poles and the rotor poles as we apply three-phase supply to the stator and DC supply to the rotor. So in this case, the rotor south pole is attracted towards the stator north pole. So the rotor will rotate in the clockwise direction for first half time period. In the next half time period, the polarity of the stators reverses, but the polarity of the rotor remains the same. So in this case, the south pole of stator will repel the south pole of the rotor and the rotor will move in the counterclockwise direction. So in first case it was moving in clockwise direction, and in second case after half time period it is moving in the counterclockwise direction. Thus the torque acting on the rotor of a synchronous motor is not unidirectional. It is not unidirectional but pulsating one. फर्स्ट हाफ टाइम पीरियड में क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहा है, सेकेंड हाफ टाइम पीरियड में एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूव कर रहा है. तो यूनिडायरेक्शनल ना होकर ये क्या है, पल्सेटिंग वन है. एंड ड्यू टू द इनर्शिया ऑफ द रोटर इट विल नॉट मूव इन एनी डायरेक्शन. So due to the inertia of the rotor it will not move in any direction. So the synchronous machine has got no self-starting torque. So it is not a self-starting machine.